Bullish Algorand cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 73 cents and $1.38 by 2030. Market investigators accept ALGO could reach 56 cents by 2025. Bearish Algorand market cost expectation for 2023 is 13 cents. Algorand presentation. The Algorand cryptographic money has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its beginning in 2019. When the blockchain collaborated with Coinbanks to foster El Salvador's digital money foundation, the cost of ALGO flooded in September 2021. Despite the fact that it has hence lost most of these additions, investigators and sites that estimate costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparative levels. What follows for the altcoin, then? How about we look at the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and analyze its cost improvement? What is Algorand? The Algorand blockchain, which plans to answer the oddity of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves ALGO as its local money. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks through an agreement method called unadulterated confirmation of stake. How much ALGO a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval council are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Foundation of Innovation in the U.S., and its blockchain and neighborhood money appeared in June 2019. The ALGO coin cost in a split second fell a day after presentation. This crash happened for different causes. The first was the 10 billion symbolic inventory that would be conveyed slowly. Algorand said that 3 billion ALGO will be sold at public closeout throughout the span of the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. In spite of the great degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the enormous measure of ALGO and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. Previous Algorand establishment tasks boss Chen Fengfeng addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter guaranteed that early supporters had presented the drive to extreme dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as per worldwide coin exploration. Algorand specialized investigation subsequent to being added to Coinbase. The cost of ALGO's cash expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as indicated by Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the accompanying year and a half of exchange, ALGO attempted to get past the 50 cents limit, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, regardless of a couple of increments. The cash began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year the token supported this development, at last hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of ALGO, various variables could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins joined the dauntlessness of government-issued money with the decentralized qualities of digital currency. Algorand has arisen as a serious option for stablecoin backers since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a coordinated effort with the momentary currency market exchanging stage Instamatch worldwide, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand took care of millions of dollars of exchanges like clockwork. El Salvador, in August 2021, pronounced that Algorand will act as the establishment for its cryptographic money framework. At that point, the coin was going for around $1.12. In the days that followed, the expense soared to an untouched post-send-off high of $2.38. The money finished at $1.63 regardless of Algorand having quite recently delivered an overhaul that improved shrewd agreements by empowering them to be written in famous programming dialects like Python and Reach. Since LimeWire, a document-sharing programming, picked Algorand to run its NFT commercial center, ALGO has encountered some rebound. In the wake of arriving at a high of 97 cents, the token held at 80 cents. At the point when FIFA declared its participation with Algorand, it demonstrated that the organization would turn into the association's true blockchain stage and would offer the association's true blockchain-upheld wallet arrangement. The Q2 bull runs, however, were brief, and by mid-May, a broad implosion saw ALGO exchanging at 36 cents lows. Algorand is presently worth 16 cents USD. ALGO has moved 1.15% as of now with an exchanging volume of $19,773,574. Algorand is presently positioned 41 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,178,394,876 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Algorand to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Algorand market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Algorand Value Forecast 2023. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ALGO cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to 24 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 22 cents in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ALGO is supposed to have a base worth of 19 cents. Algorand value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Algorand ALGO cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ALGO will before long outperform 40 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the ALGO's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ALGO will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 32 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 35 cents. Algorand value forecast 2025 assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 56 cents and ALGO might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ALGO is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 51 cents and a low of 48 cents in 2025. Algorand value expectation 2026 assuming Algorand effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the ALGO coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ALGO will be green in 2026. The ALGO is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 72 cents, with a base cost of 64 cents and a typical cost of 67 cents. Algorand value expectation 2027 after some broad determining and specialized examination. We gauge the ALGO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 83 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 80 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ALGO has a greatest value worth of 88 cents. Algorand value forecast 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 99 cents. On the off chance that ALGO figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.05. Neglecting to assemble the help ALGO needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 96 cents. Algorand value expectation 2029 while ALGO is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $1.13 and a yearly cost close above $1.21 in 2029. Algorand value expectation 2030 by 2030. Algorand will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1.29 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.37.